What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to solve radical equations. This is lesson 3, and in lesson 1 and 2 showed you different examples to solve radical equations, and here I'm gonna show you more examples. So the first example is square root of 3p plus 3 equals to 5. Answer will be root 3p plus 3 equals to 5 minus 3, which is 2. Then square root of 3p plus 3 is 2. We squared both sides. So that will be 3p plus 3 equals to 4. So it's going to be 3p equals to 4 minus 3, which is 1. And p will be 1 over 3. Next example is square root of 5q plus 1 plus 4 equals to 6. Answer is square root of 5q plus 1 equals to 6 minus 4, which is 2. And when we square that, it's going to be 5q plus 1 equals to 2 squared, which is 4. Then 5q equals to 4 minus 1, which is 3. Then q will be 3 over 5. Next example is square root of 9k minus 2 plus 1 equals to 0. Answer is square root of 9k minus 2 equals to negative 1. So when we squared both sides, this side is going to be 9k minus 2. The right hand side is going to be 1. So that will be 9k equals to 1 plus 2, which is 3. So k will be 3 over 9 or 1 over 3. This is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.